Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about O sample reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. And if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from worldwide are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now first we'll discuss about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with household products, equipments and other related products. So if you're interested, then you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check their payment option. They have given it here. You can pay through Visa, Maestro, MasterCard, JCB and PayPal. Now if you want to know about the shipping policy, go to the shipping and return page section to check the shipping timing. So they have mentioned that orders are processed and shipped within 10 to 15 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comments section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 20th of August 2021 and it is going to expire on 19th of August 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted easily. So now if you want to check their about us details, go to the About Us page section. But when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't provided any information regarding their business establishment here or about their founder identity, which is a negative sign of this website. So next we are going to check the contact details. So they have provided the email address out here. They haven't given their full contact details, which is a negative sign of this website. And also the email address name does not match the domain name, which is a negative sign of this website. So next, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website has mentioned that they have social media presence, but we have checked out by ourselves and we have found out that this website actually does not have any social media presence at all, which is a negative sign of this website. So next, if you want to check the return and refund policy, go to the shipping and return page section, scroll it down here, they have given it. So they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 14 days of delivery. And here they have mentioned that. So about the refund, they haven't given the refund timing exactly out here. So they haven't given a proper information about the refund timing. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the O sample reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the Trust Next score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 28.7%, which is very low and bad. And the content quality is also totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the O sample reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new, it does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also the Trust Next score is very poor and they haven't given their full contact details or their genuine contact details. So it means it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.